All right, friends, tonight's book is There is a Bird on Your Head. And I love books by Mo Willems. Love, love, love them. So we'll probably do a lot of those books too. And this one, it's very special because it had a medal. It got the Theodore Seuss Geisel Award, which is Dr. Seuss's real name. So lots of people like this book. There is a bird on your head. Here they are. They're just sitting there. Something's coming. Something's coming. What happened? Elephant says, Piggy. Is something on my head? What's on his head? Piggy says, yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Oh, look, he's running all around. He scared the bird off. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. 1, 2. Oh, look at Elephant's face. He is not happy. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Oh, see the little heart? The birds on my head are in love. They are love birds. Love birds? How do you know that they are love birds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Look at that. There's a bird here making a nest, and this bird is bringing more nest supplies. That'd be pretty crazy to have birds making a nest on your head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Look at Piggy. Elephant says, I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Oh, Piggy's looking. Is there an egg on his head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. You see that? Well, you can't see them in that picture, but here you can. 1, 2, 3. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching? Look at that. The little baby birds are going to peek out of those eggs. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now, I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. Look at all that on his head. That's a crazy hat. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Oh, look, he yelled so loud he made Piggy jump. And look, they all came out of the nest. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. They said bye. There they go, moving their nest. Where do you think they're going to move their nest to? Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. The elephant is happy. Piggy says, you are welcome. What happened? Where did they put them? On Piggy's head. Poor Piggy. And what's fun about these books is that there's always Pigeon from Pigeon Wants Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. He's always hiding somewhere, and today he's hiding right there. Looks like he's got a hot dog, because that's a different book about the pigeon wants a hot dog. All right. Hope you had a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.